Okay folks, so I'm going to be working on my sheetrock a little bit today, and I'm going to actually be working on this sheetrock up here. So I'll be using my power sander with my rigid shop vac. So first things first, I need to connect the shop vac and the power sander. And the easiest way to do this is just, the hose is a non-standard size, so the easiest thing to do is just tape it in here. Normally I would use duct tape, but because this is only going to be for a short period of time, some inexpensive painter's tape will be just fine. So this is going to smooth out all this, and you can see here there is a fair amount of rough. This is just the first coat. I'm also going to very quickly hit this where you can see there's a little bit of a ridge here and ridge here. Sander will make a very, very short work out of this. Okay, oh, I need to hit some more of that. And now I'm checking it both by sight and by feel. So that's good. This has got just a little bit of imperfection that needs to be touched up. So, but first, before I touch that up, I'm going to go and sand the master bathroom, and then I'll put some more mud on here.